Hello YouTubers, I hope you all are doing well. Once again, I'm back with new video of Python series. In this video, we will going to code our first program of the Python using PyCharm, one of the famous IDE integrated development environment. In our previous videos, we already discussed there are various methods to write or execute Python program, like we can use a command prompt, or we can use a Python shell or the Python code editor that comes with the basic installation of the Python. Also, there is another method that we can use, that is using the IDE, and this is a good approach as well. That's why we will going to use this approach throughout this course. Now, if you are confused, then what's the difference between writing code on simple code editor and the writing code on the IDE? Then just remember that the simple code editor just provides the facility of writing code, but the IDE provides the facility of code editor plus the debugger plus automation tools, as well as all the modules and features to computer programmers for software development. Also, it increases the experience of computer programming as compared to using simple code editor. And we will discuss all the modules and features that the IDE provides for the better experience of programming in our coming videos. That's why before jumping into the video, I want to let you know about some features and some tips that the IDE provides, and I decided to discuss some features and tips before every video so that we can complete all the features till the end of our course. For now, just double click on the PyCharm. You will get the interface like this. This is the interface of the PyCharm where we will code our Python program. But before write our code, I want to let you know about some features. The first thing you should know is how to create a project, because before writing a code you must know how to create a project, and then after creating project we will create a file inside that project in order to write a code. So in order to create a project, what you have to do is just click on the file and click on new project. Then you will see such a pop-up box where you have different options. You have to select the file location where you want to save your project, and this is the new environment using the different environments you have to use. But for now, just check on the virtual environment as default. And the main important point is the base interpreter. You must select this interpreter with the PyCharm, because this is the software that will run our Python code. As we already discussed in our previous videos, that what's the difference between compiler and interpreter, and what's the purpose of interpreter is it will run our Python code and give the output. Now, if you want to know the difference between the compiler and interpreter in detail, then do let me know in comment box. I will surely make a separate video on the compiler and interpreter. But for now, just remember that in case of Python, we will use a software that is called interpreter to run the Python code, while in some other languages we use the compiler to run the code. That's why we must select the interpreter, this option, so that it will combine with the PyCharm, and as a result, after writing code on PyCharm, when we click run, then it will use the interpreter in order to run the code. After selecting all these options, just click on create, and then you will get your first project. As I made my project already, you can see the project name is the Python full course. Click on the project. These are the files as I already made that we will discuss in our future videos. After creation of project, in order to create a file, what you have to do is just right click on project, click on new, and then click on Python file. Let me show you some demo file, demo, and the file type is Python. Click on OK. This is the Python file inside our project where we will code, right? But before writing code, I want to let you know about some more features the IDE provides. That is about the font size and the font style. By default, we cannot zoom out or zoom in the Python code. For example, if I write some code like print, I can't zoom out or I can't zoom in the facility, but we can enable this facility by enabling from setting. For this purpose, you have to click on the file, go to settings. Here you have different options. Just click on the editor. You have the different options as well. Click on the journal. Here you will find the option change font size with the Control plus mouse wheel. Check this box and apply, and then OK. Now I will show you how we can use this option. Just print and then write something Asif Ali. In order to zoom out, what I have to do, Control plus the mouse wheel. You can see we can easily zoom in and zoom out. This is the option we will use in our future videos as well. And the another option is you can change the font style as well. In order to change, what you have to do, go to the settings, go to the fonts. Here you can see below the journal option, click on the font. Here you have the option of the size what you want to set, but for now I just set it as 16, and there are some different style you can use, but as I select the source code Pro and then click apply, right? And the last feature that I want to let you know is about the themes. There are some by default themes that comes with the installation of the PyCharm. The current theme that you can see right now is the Dracula, and there are some other themes as well. In order to change the theme, what you have to do, just click on file, again click on settings. Here you have option of appearance and behavior. Click on the appearance or behavior. You will find the option of appearance. Just click on appearance. At the top you will find the different theme options. Click on the drop down. Here you have 3 different themes. The PyCharm, the first one is Dracula, that is currently activated. The another is the high contrast, and the third one is the IntelliJ. This is the white theme or the bright theme. If you want to use the bright one, just click on the IntelliJ, apply, and then OK. Now you can see this is the light theme. I think this is the much better as compared to dark one. That's why we will going to use this theme throughout the course, but the programming point of view, I recommend you to use the Dracula because it is good for the eyesight as well. Now some experiment with the Python code. In our demo file, what we have to do is to write some print. In order to print something in Python program, just you have to write a print and then parentheses, double quotes. What you have to do, write something, and in order to run this program, there are the 2 options. One, the shortcut, and the another method is here you can see the run and the run demo. Here's the output of this program. You can see here the other method shortcut is shift plus F10, shift or F10, then again you will find the same result. This is the way you can use the PyCharm, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, kindly do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and stay tuned and goodbye. If you enjoyed the video, do like and share, and for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Stay tuned and goodbye.